help me understand, what's the link between toxins in our environment and digestive issues?
That's such a great question. And I think people are just starting to catch on to this. We're living in a really unprecedented time, where we could be having like this amazing rapid development in every aspect of our culture, but we're also in the era of chemicals, and that's creating all these chronic inflammation and health issues and all of this emotional reactivity. So it's a really strange moment to be alive, right?
Totally.
Yeah. And I think people don't understand just how quickly our toxic exposure has ramped up recently and how much it's affecting all of us. So here's one figure that will help people understand. So according to the EPA, we are importing 250 pounds of chemicals per person per day right now into the US. It doesn't count the chemicals that we make here on American soil. Where's all that stuff going? Well, guess what? It doesn't include herbicides, pesticides, or fuel, or pharmaceuticals. So it's so much more than that, because all of those are actual toxins that are disrupting our own ability to heal. And that's really what a toxin does. It's a foreign substance that is industrially made that disrupts our body's ability to maintain its own well-being. So as we're moving through our natural day, people might be thinking, well, I don't live near, an industrial area, so it's fine. But actually in our air, our water, our food, our personal care products, even our supplements and pharmaceuticals, we're getting a heavy dose of this all the time.
Yeah.
And so what happens when a toxin comes into the body immediately identifies and goes, I got to get this out right now. But because of its electrical charge and the way that it's built, I'm probably not going to be in a position to. So I'd better tuck it away. Like, for example, mercury is rampant in our personal care products or food, our technology. If you've got a laptop, you've got mercury vaporizing up off of it at room temperatures all the time, just little microdoses, and 80% of that stays in the body. Body isn't really great at getting it out. So your body's opportunity is to tuck it away into your fat as far away from your vital organs as possible, or ask what we call the bad microbes, quote unquote, to absorb it. And that's where we get all of these microbial digestive issues that get set up, and they're very difficult to treat without going right to the root cause.
Okay, I'm depressed.
No, that's so important to say. I'm so glad you said that, because it's all fixable.